What up, Ice Snag? I'm gonna try to talk really loud. Again, I broke my microphone, so that's a bummer, but we're gonna make do today. Bye, Snag. Linked up with one quad and one largemouth. But I just got to that second deep hole. Giving an update, snag a toad. Look at that. First real fish of the day. I haven't get to finish giving that update. That would be fish number 3, and it was a 21. Pretty cool. So I guess I'll give some some tips on why that fish was there. Obviously, I'm going against the current. Current's back that way. You can see the current coming in between these logs. The current coming down here, and there's some lily pads right there. I mean, I do a lot of river angling, and 9 times out of 10, that dead water right there is where that bass came out of. That's why I just threw that chatterbait in front of it, like a natural bait motion, came down that log. That 21 was in there, swooped it, I saw it swoop it, hit my net camera, and then you saw me fight it. So I get a lot of questions like, well, how do I know where fish are going to be, yada yada yada. I mean, honestly, on the rivers, they're really predictable. They're opportunistic fish, and they're lazy fish. So, you know, if you want to pretend that current is a buffet and that's a seat, that's where they are. So, next time you're looking to catch a fish, you know, that's an easy way to do it. Now, I didn't know it was going to be a nice 21, you know, 3.5 pounder, but it could have been a 10-incher. Either way, there was going to be a fish there. So, that's what you got to look for. God damn! No! What the hell? Yes! Look at that. I got it. sir. Oh my God. Did you see that? God damn! No!
What's up, Isaac? I forgot to make an outro of that video. I was pretty annoyed and frustrated. Missed a lot of good fish on top water, especially that last one was huge. I saw it jump right next to the boat. He was big. I can say I think 7 plus pounds, but who knows. Big fish. And let me know if you want to hear more like tips, like whenever we're out there on the water catching these fish. If you're struggling or you feel like you're throwing lures and you're just kind of throwing anywhere and everywhere, you don't know where they need to go, because they do need to go in certain areas, like I mentioned in the video, why I threw that chatterbait, where I threw it, and how I threw it. You can't just go out there and just throw anywhere and everywhere and expect to get bit. So you want to be kind of efficient and effective with your casts. So let me know if you like that. If so, I'll try and do some other on water tips, when I catch a fish in certain ways that maybe you're not used to or that you didn't think of. So anyways, appreciate it. We'll talk to you later. Anyways, a lot more videos coming. Make sure you can subscribe right here and check out the last video right here.